What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Tazi in the cuts, and I'm back with another video. So today we'll be making Jamaican style stew peas, and you know it ain't stew peas without I fall that outside of, and you know it ain't stew peas without pigtail. Period. Me not ask. So I'm going to carry you guys through the process. If you want to see, stay tuned and remember to like, share, and subscribe. So the first thing that you do is cut up your pigtails, whichever size you want, it don't really matter, and then you're gonna boil it like 3 times to kind of get rid of the excess salt. And you also soak your peas overnight, but we did have peas soaked already, so it just a defrost right now. So yeah, that's the first step. Okay guys, let's see. So round 1 is boiling up right now. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm going to throw off the first round water right now. Bad people style. Don't try this at home, guys. And you fill it with a second round of water. Like so. I will not have nice clean running water, but that's it. The second round is on. Very true. Alright guys, so after you finish scalding the pigtails, you add your peas to the pigtails, and you can drop a few pimento seeds and piece of garlic in the pot. Okay, so for step 3, after about half hour after adding the peas, you add 1 cup of coconut milk, and you also add your seasonings, so your scallion, your onion, your scotch bonnet pepper, and I also added BADIA seasoning for a little flavor, and it's optional. Leave to cook for about another half hour or until desired thickness is achieved. So our stew peas is all done, and this is Jamaican style stew peas. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.